Adding a new year. To add a new year, select Settings from the main menu. Please note that you must have your semesters and tracks set up before adding a new year. For detailed instructions on creating new tracks and semesters, see the appropriate help tutorials in the Tracks and Semester section. Once you have your tracks and semesters set up, select the years from the Settings submenu. Select the Add New Year button. Enter the name of the year. We advise that you keep the year names consistent from year to year. This will ensure that your drop-down filters within the system will look nice and consistent. For example, if you use a 4-digit year, so always use 4 digits. Or if you use a 2-year span, be consistent with how you type it out, from year to year. You can always come back later and change the name and format of the year. Then, enter the start and end date for the entire academic year. Finally, select Create. You will now see a new tab, Semesters, with an option to select which semesters you want to add to the academic year. Select the semester which you want to add to the year, from the drop-down, and then select the Add Semester button. If you haven't created semesters yet, nothing will appear in the drop-down. You will need to first create them and then come back to add them to the year. Enter the start and end date of the semester. This date range will be used when you generate lessons for the entire semester. Enter the kick-in date. You can leave this field empty. Then, select the tracks, which will be part of this semester. Finally, select Save. Repeat this process as necessary to add all of your semesters to the year.